Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to Needs of Children. In this session, we are going to get the information about 10th standard social science, English medium, political science, unit number 1, the continued part of the problems of India and their solution. In the previous session, we get the information about the problems of India like unemployment, corruption, discrimination. In this session, other problems of India facing. So let's come to the continued part. Among that, the first one, communalism. The meaning of communalism: segregation in the name of religion. Segregation, separation, nothing but separate. Separation in the name of religion and creating hatred and cultivating opposite, enmity, self-interests can be called as communalism. Here, communalism is a major problem of our country. It creates social differences, mutual suspicion, and fear situation in the society, like political competition, social groupism, and economic hatefulness is expressed in communalism. So, communalism has the capacity to endanger the integrity and unity of India. India is called as the land of unity, multicultural country. For that, it will be a big blow for the problem of communalism. It not only disturbs the peace of the society, even it also destroys the public and private property too. It leads to mutual acquisitions and physical hazards, and other undesirable effects are going to be created from the communalism. Communalism puts self-interest ahead of national interest. The communalism forces make attempts to increase their communal forces in the country. They attempt to preach their religion and also tend to be suspicious of other religion. These affects the unity of nation. As a result, the country has to be spend a lot of energy to maintain internal peace and order. Then steps to check communalism. A lot of precautions are needed to address the challenge posed by communalism. Ideas like uniform civil code, equality among all the citizens, treated all the citizens are equal, supporting secular values in the society. Secular. India, it is called as the secular country. That means no religion has given the status of national religion. So that supporting secular values in the society. And then transcending narrow thoughts in favor of national interests can be solutions for communalism. Economic and social equality could fuel the communalism. Attempts should be made to foster the faiths of all people and develop healthy national thoughts. Some precautions should be taken to check communalism, as it would spoil the integrity, equality, fraternity, and cultural diversity of India. The citizens should commit themselves for a secular society. So this is about communalism. And the next concept, status of women. The achievements of women during pre-independent India are notable. Among that, Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bhai, Kitturu Rani Channamma, Annie Besant, Kasturaba Gandhi, Savitri Bhai Pule as a social reformer, and Sarojini Naidu are some of the memorable women freedom fighters that have provided the achievements during the pre-independent period. Now, women are present in all the walks of life, like medical, teaching, engineering, as a pilot, an astronaut, and a police, and in the field of politics, and even in the field of military also. And in some other places, they are engaged by women. But still, the status of women needs to lot of improvement. The status of women has remained low due to our Indian social customs, the situation of poverty and illiteracy. This has affected the progress of the country. So let's come to some of the steps to improve the status of women. Like the government has started women and child development department in order to develop women's education and status. Through various measures taken by the government seeks to improve the status of women, health and education of the women. Many programs have been implemented to curb child marriage, dowry prohibition, compulsory education are implemented as a means of empowering women. The government of Karnataka has implemented Stree Shakti program through which self-help groups of women are formed and fostered as the means of social progress. Along with various cooperative formations like Stree Shakti, self-help groups, associations of self-help groups have been formed. Women's commissions have been established at national level and state level to address the various issues of women. Even attempts are made to provide reservations at state and national legislature bodies. Women reservation has already been provided local bodies. That means from panchayat to parliament, the local reservation, political reservation, it has been provided to women's. Women reservation is also provided in the recruitment of the government employment opportunities also. In India, some of the great women personalities like Indira Gandhi was the first Prime Minister of, as a long-term political leader, ruled the country. Mrs. Pratibha Devi Singh Patil was the President of India, first woman President of India, Mrs. Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. Many women have performed various roles as ambassadors, governors, ministers, chief ministers, and many others have influential positions and have performed very well. Among that, as Sucheta Kripalani, the first woman chief minister, as Mary Kom as a great athlete, and as Sunita Williams, astronaut. The success of these women has been inspirational for many women. So these are the steps to improve the status of women. So, and next move on to next one problem, that is terrorism. Terrorism can be called as extremism. This is a method putting pressure on a government. Terrorism based on political ideologies, religious faiths and ideological beliefs creates a lot of loss for the individuals as well as communities. Moreover, terrorism creates psychological pain and influence the cultural aspects negatively. So some of the terrorist attacks you can identify in the picture. Terrorism is nothing but fulfilling its narrow end by creating panic and violence. It feeds on fear of the people. These are organized crimes proposed by organized group of people. Such activities are called as anti-national and anti-social acts. Even some of the incidents, if you are going to be point out, see, these are the incidents, that is like bombing of World Trade Center of United States of America, bomb attacks on Bali of Indonesia, bombing various cities of France, Britain and other countries are the reasons for worries at international level. The terrorism is based on extreme religious sentiments, separatism, racialism and leftist ideals. Even a country funds and supports terrorism in other country. Terrorism mainly targets civilians of the country, military bases, and also targets a specific communities with specific languages, religion, race and skin color to create maximum terror among them. It aims at creating more fear by killing people. They use explosives, deadly gases to attain their goal. The killings done by terrorists are pre-planned. They work with their own network of intelligence. They employ modern day gadgets and means of transportation. They target busy areas like airports, railway stations, markets, other areas to attack. They seek to spread their goals along with this violence. They also use tactics like suicide bombing, kidnapping innocent people to attain their targeted aims. Even India is one of the countries in the world that has been the target of terrorism for many years. Terrorism is and was there in the states like Nagaland, Manipur, Kashmir, Punjab and other places. There was attack on Taj Hotel in Mumbai on November 26, 2007. Similarly, the Parliament House had also been target of terrorism. Terrorists have targeted places like Hyderabad, Chennai, Bengaluru, Buddha Gaya and other places to create panic. Neighboring countries like Pakistan and China are accused of supporting and aiding terrorism in our country. Peace-loving country like India has always criticized terrorism in other countries also. Our central and state governments have taken utmost care to stop terrorism. They have always strived to protect the property and life of ordinary people. They have even created special allied forces to tackle these terrorists. India has been peace-loving country and has undertaken many initiatives to stop terrorism. A look into the history says that very little has been achieved by violent activities like terrorism. At the same time, history has been made by employing truth, non-violence and love. The killing people like Gandhiji, Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi did not erase their efforts to achieve progress through peace. Whereas actions of Buddha, Mahavira, Jesus, Muhammad Paigambar, Basava, Gandhi, Nehru, Ambedkar, Martin Luther, Nelson Mandela and others have given new light, new paths and new life to the people all over the world. Peace and love are greater than violence and hate. So this is about the concept of terrorism. At last, the concept of corporate strategy. So what is the concept of corporate strategy? A group administrative measures undertaken by a company to achieve premeditated target is called corporate strategy. The corporate strategies has been the biggest challenge in front of Indian society since the beginning of 21st century. The present day corporate strategies are using globalized environment and modern technologies. The main aim of these strategies are maximizing the profits of the company. This affects the people, the society and a country negatively. Often the corporate strategies influence the decisions of the governments also. On the positive side, the same corporate companies can be employed to alleviate social problems like poverty, malnutrition, health, skill training and many other aspects of society through corporate social responsibilities. CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility Programs. The governments need to mandate initiatives through appropriate legal measures. Only with such initiatives, the Indian society can channelize the corporate strategies in favor of the society. So this is about the concept of corporate strategy. So this is about the first lesson, political science, the problems of India and the solutions. I hope you have understood the concept. If you are having any doubts related to this lesson, you can comment in the comment box. I will solve your doubts. So I will come back with the next video. Until, keep watching my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video, next session. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.